Good afternoon, my dear students. So again, I'm here for my grade 11 students to learn economics during this time of COVID-19 pandemic in the whole world. And our school, Cambridge International School, the SUA, has taken e-learning initiative. So with that e-learning initiative, I'm going to teach you with my online videos. So now we were doing chapter number already we were doing chapter number 7 before your revision videos so was being uploaded. So we were doing chapter number 7 and there were two topics. These were very important topics were left, so I'm going to cover all these topics now in this video. So let's continue with today's topics. So what we have so far covered in the chapter, that was TR, MR, AR. So all we have covered in the previous topics. So let's see what we have in today's topic. So let's see. So we were doing chapter number 7. So the chapter number is 7 and the name of the chapter is revenue. So subject is economics, topic is break-even point and shutdown point. So these topics are very important. Fine. Now grade 11. So these topics we are going to do for grade 11, and my name is Ms. Sarita Seni. So I'm here with economics, topic of this break-even point and shutdown point. So let's begin with the topic today. So let's see what we are going to cover in today's lesson. So first point is break-even point. We are going to learn about this. Then break-even point is also achieved when AR is equal to AC. This is a condition. So we will discuss this condition in detail with the diagram. Fine. And with derivation even. So shutdown point, this is again the next point, which a term that is very important. So questions to be done for today, we will discuss about this. So we have to do at least 3 questions based on 3 points, which we are going to cover today. So let's see what is in the break-even. So first let's understand what is break-even point. So break-even point refers to the point where total revenue is equal to total cost. जिस point पे total revenue and total cost दोनों एक दूसरे को intersect कर जाते हैं, equal हो जाते हैं, then we call it as break-even point. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Break-even point. So you can see in the diagram even there is a point where TR and TC curve both are intersecting each other and TR is equal to TC हो रहा है, तो इस point को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? That is break even point. So E is the point they have mentioned here now. At break even point, firm is able to meet all its causes. At a break even point, firm is able to meet all its cost. जितनी भी cost है वो सारी की सारी bear करती है. So it is shown with the help of figure. So you have seen this figure, that is 7.9. So as seen in the diagram, E is the point of break-even point. E is the break-even point as at this point TR is equal to TC. ठीक है? So point E is the situation of normal profit. So जब TR and TC equal हो जाएंगे तब हमें नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स होते हैं. ठीक है? नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस सिचुएशन होती है, तो हमें नॉर्मल जितना हमने लगाया उतना तो हमें एटलीस्ट मैक्सिमम तो नहीं होगा, बट हाँ नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स हमें जरूर हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? सो एनी पॉइंट बिलो ई इंडिकेट्स एबनॉर्मल लॉसेस. अगर ई से पहले कोई पॉइंट आता है, ठीक है, तो हम उसको कहते हैं एबनॉर्मल लॉसेस. अगर ई के बाद कोई पॉइंट आएगा, ठीक है, तो वी कॉल इट एज एबनॉर्मल प्रॉफिट्स. ठीक है? So this is the point of break even. Fine. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move to the next slide. That is break even point is also achieved when AR is equal to AC. देखो TR को अगर हम divide कर दे with Q, that is units of output, and similarly हम TC को भी divide कर दे units of output. So what we will get? We will get AR and AC. So you can see the derivation here. So we know break even point is determined when TR is equal to TC. So दोनों को divide कर दिया जब output से, तो we got AR and AC, and this will be the formula. TR divided by Q is equal to AR and TC divided by Q, it will be equal to AC. So break-even point is the point when TR is equal to TC or AR is equal to AC. Fine. So you can see the diagram. Cost and revenue both are mentioned on the y-axis, and on the x-axis we are showing the units of output. So here you can see price, that is AR or MR, always equal. So that is straight line, that is parallel to the x-axis. Now AC curve is always in the form of U shape, or we can say in the form of tick. So when this tick is going to intersect, AC is going to intersect AR, then this term is again break-even point. So this is derived from TR is equal to TC. So this is also the situation when we are getting break-even point with AR and AC. Both are when they are equal to each other. Now let's move to the next slide, that is shutdown point. So shutdown point refers to a situation when firm is able to cover its variable costs only. In other words, it is a situation when total revenue, that is TR, received from sale of goods is just equal to total variable cost. अब जो है आपका TR, total revenue and total variable cost, ठीक है, दोनों को जब हम equal मानते हैं तो we are getting the point that is just equal to the point that is shut down point. इसके बाद हम लोग प्रोडक्शन और कर ही नहीं सकते, एक पॉइंट है जिसपे आके हमारी प्रोडक्शन रुक जाती है, ठीक है. So see again, what is this? Shutdown point refers to a situation when a firm is able to cover its variable cost only. सिर्फ वो variable cost cover करेगी, बाकी कोई cost cover नहीं कर सकती firm, ठीक है. In other words, it is a situation when total revenue received from sale of goods is just equal to total variable cost of production. So यहाँ पे total revenue जितने भी हमने सेल करी है वो जो होगी बिल्कुल वो इक्वल रह जाएगी, just sale of goods that will be just equal to total variable cost के इक्वल ही रह जाएगी. TR is equal to TVC होता है, ठीक है. So TR divided by even output कर दिया तो then TVC again divided by output कर दिया तो what we are getting, AR is equal to AVC. So AR is always equal to price and even marginal revenue. So that is also the point we are taking. So again TR को divide किया units of output तो we are getting AR. AR is always equal to price. So we can give the name for AR as price. Then TVC is divided by units of output is equal to AVC. So that is the point. Then at the shutdown point, firm incurs loss of fixed cost. तो जितने भी fixed cost होती है वो firm एक pay नहीं कर पाती, मतलब उसके losses होते हैं. The firm does not the firm does not stop the production at this point as fixed. The firm does not stop the production at this point as fixed. Cost will still be incurred. So fixed cost तो अभी भी still incur करनी है, तो इसके लिए हमारी जो firm है वो stop नहीं करती है production, ठीक है. So however, if AR further falls, जब AR फिर से गिर जाएगा, प्राइस और गिर जाएगा, so and is unable to meet even ABC भी पूरा नहीं कर पाएंगे, ठीक है, then firm will shut down the operations. तब क्या firm क्या करती है, अपना operations बंद कर देती है. So the situation of shutdown point is illustrated with the figure. So you can see the figure. जिस point पे AR and ABC दोनों कट जाते हैं, ठीक है, इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं each other, तो उस पॉइंट पे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, फर्म इसके फर्दर प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकती. सो वी कॉल इट एज शट डाउन पॉइंट. व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज शट डाउन पॉइंट. The situation of shutdown point is illustrated in the figure. Shutdown occurs at point L. So you can see L is the point for shutdown, and when AR is equal to ABC, at this point firm is unable to meet fixed costs. So that is the point. Fine. So I hope this is clear to you. So after this we have to discuss the questions to be done for today. So the first question is explain break-even point in detail, then explain shutdown point in detail, then compare. We have to compare. Third point is compare break-even point and shutdown point in detail. So we have to do it all the questions in detail. So I've discussed. So you have to draw with the diagram and then you have to explain as I have explained in all the slides. So this you have to do it. I've made this a very short video because I know you people are going to have exam. Commerce students are going to have exam, and humanities are already over with this exam. So for this purpose, I've just made a short video so that you will not get confused regarding this chapter, and then again you will be thinking of your online quiz. So in the end, I would say thank you so much. God bless you, and all the best for your first online quiz for economics grade commerce students. So I know you people are already doing well, and already doing well, and I wish you will also do very well in your online first exam of this year. So God bless you. Thank you so much. Enjoy learning at home, and try to score as maximum as you can score while learning at home. So thank you so much. God bless you. Stay happy, stay healthy, enjoy learning with Cambridge International School, the SUA.